Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and try on of BoxyCharm. This is my first BoxyCharm box, so I wanted to go ahead and open it up on camera and give kind of my first impressions and then try out the products in it. I signed up for, I think it's 6 months, so we'll see if I like it. You can cancel at any time. The box does retail for $21 a month. They do have an upgrade to this box, which is an additional like $24, so it's almost around like 50 some dollars, and you can get like a bigger box with like fuller size products, bigger products. But I'm not really, I don't know, that's a lot of money monthly, so I just wanted to stick to the little one and check it out. I see so many people do these unboxings and try-ons, and they always have products in it that I would absolutely love, so I wanted to give it a try. Okay, so I already cut it open, and it looks like this. It comes with a little card, and I'm assuming it talks about the products in it. Let me see. Yeah, this month's theme is Gold Digger. I think this is November's box. Okay, yeah, it does talk about the products in here. And I will post like how much each product, like I'll put a little stamp here about how much each product costs. Lord, I can't get my words out. All right, the first thing I see is these Lashaholic lashes. You guys know I love lashes, and they're just the kind I like. Very natural and simple lashes. I'm really gonna get a lot of use out of these. I'm really excited to try these. They seem really good quality, like they feel really nice, so I'm excited to try these out. Alright, and the next thing I grabbed is this little brush set. It's so pretty. It's got like gold handles, and this is from Luxie brushes. I've tried Luxie brushes in the past. I think I got them in like an Ipsy bag, and I really liked it. Let me take these out. Okay, so this is what they look like. That is so pretty. I love the gold. And here are the brushes. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this one. That's like my kind of favorite little pencil brush right here. It's really good for getting right in the lower lash line and blending. So I'm gonna try these out. They feel pretty nice. They kind of, you know, they're a little smaller, and I like smaller brushes on my eyes because my eyes are so tiny. So we'll be giving these a try. And it also came with this Janetta Blue. Never heard of this brand. Glitter Star Eyeliner, which is black and gold. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I have other swatches on the back of my hand, so ignore those. Those are fading. But it's just a black with gold flecks in it. So that's pretty. That'll be fun for the holidays. Oh my god. I'm excited about this. This is the Cover. I cannot talk. I'm so excited. Okay, let's bring it down a couple notches. La la la. Cover FX. What? Lord, I haven't had any coffee today. I think that's my problem. Cover FX. There we go. I got it out. Glitter drops. Now, I've seen these in Sephora, and I've always been intrigued by them, but I'm like, what am I going to do with glitter drops? But, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. I don't think this is something because I've swatched this before in stores. I don't think this is something that I would use like on my cheeks or face. I would either like put it on my eyelid. I think that's what I'm going to do today as like a base. That is so pretty, but it's very glittery. I think this would be really pretty to put like on your décolleté or shoulders, like for New Year's. That would be really pretty. So that's awesome. I know this is like $44 in and of itself, so this right here pays for the box. I'm definitely excited to try this out. I think I'm going to put it all over my lid as like a base for an eyeshadow. And then the next thing I see is in bubble wrap. Let's take it out. Okay. Ace Beauté is what this looks like. Obviously it looks like a eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I can't get it out of the sleeve. It does not want to come out of the sleeve. Okay. So I love the packaging. It looks very like old. I don't know what I'd want to call it. Like, I'm having a brain fart. The movie like Gatsby. It reminds me of like old Gatsby. Oh my god. These pictures. I'm all over the place today. I am so sorry. I'm tired. I've been up since 5 a.m. It is now 2, and I'm just not, I'm out of it today. My allergies are bad, and I'm tired, and I haven't had any coffee because I ran out. But I'm going to Starbucks right after this. But these colors are absolutely stunning. Like, oh my god, like that color, that, like these three right here are really calling to me. Oh, even this one, like look at them, they are stunning. I'm so excited to play with this. So I'm gonna put this on my eyes, you know, I'm gonna try all this stuff out and create a look with my very first BoxyCharm box. All right, I'm going to zoom y'all in. Don't mind my puffy eyes. Like I said, my allergies are so bad today and I want to dig my eyeballs out. But I'm going to go in with this first shade Patchouli right here. And I'm just going to take the fluffier brush. Are these labeled? So, and then I'm going to take the Luxie, I think that says medium tapered brush, and start blending that into my crease. These eyeshadows are very blendable. It's blending very easily. I'm not going to do a crazy look. I'm just going to do like a very, very simple look because it is a Monday and I have to go pick up my kids from the bus, stop, and then go to the grocery store and then take my daughter to cheerleading practice. So I don't want to go too crazy. But so far they blend really nicely. This brush is a little bit too small for what I like personally. I do feel like just to get more of a blend up here, it's looking a little harsh and I feel like I'm really having to put the brush everywhere. I'm going to get a different brush just to blend that out. Okay, I'm just going to take my Sigma E40 to blend out the edges. And now I'm going to take Cinnamon and kind of deepen up that crease shade. I'm going to take the same smaller brush I was using. I think this brush would work better for like crease work. Can't tell if it's the eyeshadow not blending very well or if it's the brush, but it's looking a little patchy. Like I first laid the product here, like right here, and it's like not blending right there. Okay, and I'm just going to take the Sigma E40 again and blend out any harsh lines. I'm going to take this little Pixie domed shaped brush, or not domed, angled brush, and this shade Poppy, and kind of put that on the outer V area. Then I'm going to go back to that first brush we used and blend out those edges. This Poppy shade is coming out more pink than this maroony color in here, but it's still really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with this little dome shaped brush and pop Cinnamon on my lower lash line. I'm going to take that same brush that I just used and go back in with Poppy and see if I can deepen that outer V up some more. Now I'm going to go back in with Patchouli and this little pencil brush and blend out my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Sigma E56 shader brush and this shade right here, Myrtle, and pop that on the outer third. Very crumbly, so I feel like I'm gonna have fallout. Actually, it's doing pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to take the other side of the brush and go in with Primrose and put that on the inner lid. They do kick up a lot of shadow in the pan. I absolutely love these colors together. These are really beautiful fall sultry shades. Definitely like it. Okay, now I'm going to take the eyeliner that they had in the box and I'm just going to do my waterline. And now I'm going to take the Cover FX drops and I'm just going to pop those on the center of the lid just to add some oomph. Okay, I think that adds just the right amount of oomph to the look. Okay, now I'm just gonna really quickly pop on a little bit of liner just to hide the lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back to pop on the lashes. Alright guys, sorry, my camera shut off when I was doing my lashes, but here they are. They're still dry and they're a little bit difficult to get on, but I think once I break them in and kind of loosen them up, they're gonna be just fine. I really like them. They're pretty natural. They're like really sparse and like wispy, so you can actually see the eyeshadow through them, so it's not like with my eyes being so hooded. Sometimes if I wear really dramatic lashes, you can't see my eyeshadow at all, so I like these that you can still kind of see through them. But let's go ahead and finish up the look with some blush and lipstick. Alright, I'm just going to use, because this didn't come with like any face products, so no like blush or lipstick or highlighter, so I'm just going to go in and use my Luminous Flush blush, and this has a highlighter in it, so I'm actually not going to wear highlighter today. I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on. As you can see, it has a sheen, so you really don't need a highlighter. And this is a really pretty rosy neutral blush. I think it'll pair really nicely with the eyes. And for the lips, I just want to use my Urban Decay Naked Cherry lipstick in Juicy. I think this will pair really nicely with the look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really like it. There's products in here that I honestly never would have tried on my own. This Ace Butte, I think it's Butte or Butte. I really like this. The mattes were really nice. I did have a little bit of issue with this one, but it could have been the brush, so I'm going to keep playing with this because the shimmers actually blew me away. I love the shimmers in this. They were absolutely beautiful, and there's definitely more looks I want to come up with and play with. I did get a little bit of fallout, and if you see like a mark right here, I did wipe black right here, and I tried to wipe it off as best as I could, but I'm like, I couldn't fix it, essentially, and I don't have time to. So if you see like my foundation rubbed off like right here, that's what happened, but it had nothing to do with this. But it was a little chunky in the pan, as you can see. You can kind of see a little bit, but I didn't see that kind of transfer to the face and really have a lot of fallout. The shades are beautiful, and those custom cover drops, where I have the bottle, there it is. These like are really pretty just to pop on the lid. Like even if you just want to throw like some bronzer in your crease and then put this on your finger and just tap it and get that really wet look, that's like super popular right now. I think this is amazing. I would have never picked this up on my own. I swatched it a few times. I'm like, I really don't need liquid glitter drops, but now I'm like, wow, I love these. I think the next look I'm going to do, I'm going to just pop this all over the lid with some bronzer and some lashes and just have that really pretty wet look. So far I'm really impressed with this box. It's empty, but I'm really impressed with BoxyCharm. I'm definitely going to keep trying it. I'm not going to cancel right now because I liked everything. The lashes are pretty. I like the lashes. Really simple and chic. The brushes, let me see. These brushes, I really like them. They're not the best quality brushes. They're not, you know, they're not Sigma or MAC or, you know, Wayne Goss by any means, but these are really nice brushes. I think if you have really small eyes, you'd really like these. Now, it's not great for like big blending as you saw, but for detailed work, I think they're really nice. I really liked, which one is it? This curved one here. That was really nice for the outer V. Oh wait, no, it was this one, this curved one. That was nice for the outer V. And this, like, it's like really flat. It's almost like a mini tiny stippling brush. That was really nice for the lower lash line. I really enjoyed that. Did I cover everything? I think I did. Oh, the eyeliner. The eyeliner is okay. It's probably my least favorite product in the box. I'm just not big into glitter eyeliners. I just like solid color eyeliners. Like, this might be good to put all over the lid to do like a really pretty like smoky eye. And oh, I thought about, like, maybe put this all over the lid and then pop those Cover FX glitter drops on top of it. That might be pretty. So I'll keep using it, but I could have done without it. It's not my favorite item in the box. What is this hair doing? This hair is like having a mind of its own. I curled it and then I didn't brush it out or like mess with it. But anyway, that was it for my very first BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you get BoxyCharm. How long have you had it? Do you enjoy it? Do you love all your boxes? Is there any other subscription boxes that you recommend? I did do FabFitFun for a long time, and then I realized like the majority, like 90% of the products were just sitting in corners of my house not being used, and it was just, I was being wasteful. I wasn't using the products in it. So I canceled that, and then Ipsy I just wasn't happy with, and then I had Sephora Play, and then I realized all the stuff I was getting in Sephora Play I could get for free samples, so that was kind of a waste. So I kind of moved to BoxyCharm to give it a try because I see so many people love it, like Kathleen Lights, who else? There's like a bunch of people that I watch that do BoxyCharm unboxings, and it seems really awesome. So I'm very happy with it. I will leave the BoxyCharm information down below. I am not sponsored. I am not an affiliate with BoxyCharm. I purchased this with my own money. It is my own subscription service. So this is my honest opinion. And that was another reason I went to try it out, because I see so many people do these sponsored unboxings. And, you know, I'm a consumer too, even though I do YouTube. I am still a consumer. And sometimes I do question, like, okay, do they really like it? Is it really that great? I want to know for myself. So I tried it out for myself. I really like it. And I'm going to keep using it until I don't like it anymore. It doesn't tickle my fancy. But again, let me know down below if you have tried BoxyCharm or what your favorite subscription boxes are. I know there's like a subscription now for absolutely everything. I mean, I have one for my dogs. I get BarkBox for my dogs. So, anyway, I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and only 20 days till I get my house and filming room again, and bye-bye horrible lighting. So anyway, love you. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.